What is up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, bringing y'all some more content, y'all. So today I got a little downtime, so I'm gonna be doing some. It's been a minute, man, since we had a nice little mod video for the channel, right? Most of the videos have just been changing the motor and all that stuff, but we're getting back to some regular scheduled YouTube infotainment, entertainment, whatever you want to call it, right? So in today's video, y'all already see we got the base set up. We're gonna be installing Dirty Diesel Customs CCV reroute slash catch can filter setup, y'all. This thing is I was reading the instructions. It looks really good. The instructions are super crisp and clear, right? The family over at Dirty Diesel Customs sent this out. They said, Cam, throw it on the truck so it can match the rest of the bling. You guys are gonna really like this, and I think y'all are gonna. I like it. It's unique and it's different, right? So we're gonna go ahead and get this video started. Make sure you drop a like button, drop a comment. Let me know what y'all think by the end of the video. Let's get it started. All right, y'all, so we come over here. Obviously got the base set up. We have, I'm gonna show y'all the parts on the tailgate, but we got instructions for Dirty Diesel Customs 13 to 18 catch cam mounting setup, y'all. So essentially what's gonna be happening is in this video, we're gonna be taking off the factory CCV box. You're gonna maintain the bottom rocker. You're gonna maintain this bottom part, but this top piece is gonna come off, and then we're gonna be setting up a Dirty Diesel Customs catch can, which is super clean. So we come back here, and then another thing too, real quick, I got a bracket here because I was doing some test fitting. You come over here, hey man, I've always been a proponent of instructions being sent out with parts, right? So we have instructions for the universal catch can installation or setup, and then we have, if you have a 19 to 23 Cummins, it'll work for this setup as well with instructions, right? And best of all, not only does it come with instructions, but it comes, oh snap, I'm sorry y'all, it comes in color, right? Like, it don't get much easier than that. So we over there, we have that stuff, and then we come back here by the tailgate, we have more goodies. So we have a bunch of stuff in here, hardware, my favorite piece right here, it's upside down, billet aluminum. This is going to be getting installed on the truck. CCV reroute port right here. This thing is sick nasty, y'all, I'm telling y'all. And we got some more hardware and more parts in here as well. So we have our work cut out for us. We're going to get started. I'm going to start by setting up the catch can. I'll probably just put you guys on a time lapse. Again, it comes with instructions, so like you really can't mess this up. So first thing we're going to be doing is setting up the catch can with the internal baffles inside of it. So we got to get that all set up. Once we get that set up, we're going to mount this bracket here to the side of the engine block. There's y'all just got to wait and see, man, because it's pretty sick how it comes out. So let's go ahead and get this started. All right, you guys, so I went ahead and built up the catch can. It's pretty simple, straightforward. You just installed the baffles and you installed the media element. It's pretty much foil or steel wool. And they show you a picture here how it, oh, we gotta put that back on. Shows you a picture how it looks there. So now I'm gonna screw this back into the can. There is an O-ring too in there. Probably can't see it, but there's an O-ring in there. So I put a little petroleum on the threads just to help it seat. That way it's not ripping the O-ring and having a little small leak or anything like that. So we're gonna get this all screwed back in together. All right, you guys, catch can is all buttoned up. So now we're gonna take the provided catch can bracket setup, and then we're gonna mount it onto the engine. If you're looking at it's basically on this side of the block, back here by those connectors. There's two screws on the block side that we're gonna go ahead and put these into. They also come with provided spacers, so you would put, if you look at the picture, you see there, whatever it wants to focus, whatever. Anyways, behind the bracket, make sure you put the spacers in it. It's gonna be a little weird trying to film it, so I'm gonna get it installed and then show y'all what it looks like after. All right, y'all, so I went ahead and we got the bracket installed. As you can see, you got the provided bolt and spacer. It goes right to the block there. You'll never know there's two holes there until you actually put something in it. So yeah, so we got that installed. You can't really see the backside nut or bolt, but it's there. So now the bracket's in, it's tight. Now I'm just gonna keep following the instructions. These instructions are like really they're really good and they're simple to follow. Super basic. So go to the next page, I guess. Oh, look, install catch can. And then there's two screws on the back. You just loosen that up a little bit. That way you get enough clearance so it can, the way it's designed is to slide onto that bracket. So if you look there where that slot's at, that slot right there, this right here goes down on it. And it just goes boop. So I'm gonna loosen it a little bit, slide it on, and I'll probably snug it back up. And then we'll go from there. I'll show y'all this once it's in the truck over there hanging. Alright, so I went ahead and installed the catch can onto the bracket. It looks really good. Like, I'm really excited that there's finally like a catch can solution that's like, they actually made something good, you know what I'm saying? When I say that, I mean like Dirty Diesel Custom legitimately made like a good setup so far, because the bracket is there, it looks OE, the can is there, it's not super big to where it's like obnoxiously taking up space. I didn't have to do no cutting, no zip tying, like, you know what I'm saying? Something else I did, it might be hard to see, but if you look down there, I installed the drain line on there, and I just have it running down near the starter. What I'm gonna do is there's a valve on the bottom of it down there. I'm gonna show y'all when I get down there. I'm gonna zip tie it to where when I do my oil changes, I can just crack that fitting or that drain valve, and I can just drain the catch can out while I'm doing the oil change one time. All that is provided. The line and the drain valve is provided with the kit. So that thing looks good, man. I'm digging it. God dang, camera, what's going on? I'm digging it. I'm digging it. So we got that installed now. So pretty sure next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna pop this off and keep on going. Alright, you guys, so went ahead and finished up. As y'all saw on the time lapse, we installed the plate, the CCV plate, I guess you want to call it. This thing looks good, man. It's good and it's different. We also got the trying to keep my shadow out of the shot, but we also have the Dirty Diesel billet oil cap. I had another one, I had a Smedden one on there, but it goes with the theme, right? Because you can see, it might be hard to see on the plate, but if you look at the plate, it says dirty on it right there. And then we got the dirty cap. And then we got the routing. This is clean, man. This is very clean. This is one of the cleanest catch can setups I've seen for these Cummins, these 6.7s and 5.9s. Just because you can get a universal catch can, or you can do a vibrant catch can, and I've seen people run it to that rib nut right there. But I mean, this comes with everything. Like, you don't have to source parts or anything. So I think this is really legit. I still gotta hop underneath and zip tie that drain valve just so it doesn't rub on something or get caught up. And I'll show you guys that down there. But just from the top, yeah, it looks good. So I'll obviously keep an eye on the catch can, for, you know, first couple 100 miles or 1,000 miles, just to make sure like nothing crazy is going on. But I mean, this thing, I expect it to work really good. So let's go. All right, get underneath. Zip tie that drain valve out, and I'll show y'all at one time too. And that's a wrap, y'all. So we got the setup installed. Catch can by Dirty Diesel Customs, their own. Man, that sun glare is rough. catch can setup, going up to the billet. I guess we'll just call this billet valve cover. This thing's clean, man. It's super clean, so I'm a little happy. I'm gonna be happy with this setup. I was having the old setup I had for the CCV. I don't think it was cutting it for the truck in general. So this right here is legit. It's fresh, even with the billet cap. It just, everything's coming together. We're still not done with the motor or with the engine bay yet. We got a lot more goodies I got to throw on. Gonna make a video tomorrow, a good one. I think you guys will like it, so stay tuned for that one. But we're gonna wrap this thing up. It is getting hot out here. The sun's beating me down. Your boy put in some overtime. When I say overtime, put some work in. It's a little hot out here now. So we're gonna wrap this video up, y'all. Hope you enjoyed it. All the good stuff. Thank you guys for the comments on the last video too. I saw those as well. I read all the comments you guys put. I just might not be able to get to them in terms of responding. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe, like the channel, all that good stuff, y'all. Until next time, y'all take care, be safe, peace out, and I'll see y'all later.